the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animal provide us with milk, meat products, and egg. As हमें पता है कि हमें जो एनिमल से क्या मिलता है, milk products and eggs. Cow, goats, and buffaloes are some animal which gives us milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd are obtained from the animal. Can you name some other animal which gives us milk? Yes. Plant parts and animal products as food. Paley wants to know if any of food comes from the source other than plants and animals. You have eaten pumpkin flowers. हमें pumpkin flower हमने खाया है rice paste में, हमें dip करके उसको fry करके. Some plants have 2 or more edible parts. As we know, कुछ parts जो उसके edible हैं, कुछ parts उसके eatable नहीं हैं. कुछ parts जैसे eatable हैं, just like उसकी petals and just like stem. These are eatable parts of a plant. Seeds of mustard plants gives us oil. The leaves are used as vegetable. Can you think of the different parts of the banana plant that are used as food? Yes, we can we can eat a banana plant that are used as food. Think of more example where many parts of the single plant are used as food. As we know, in the flower plant, petals are used and stem are used for eatable. So some plants have 2 or more parts eatable, and some plants have 1 part eatable. Seeds of mustard plant give us oil, and their leaves are used as vegetables. So seeds of mustard plant gives. There are 2 benefits of mustard plant. Seeds gives us oil, and their leaves are used as a vegetable. So there are 2 uses of mustard plants. Seeds of mustard plant gives us oil, and their leaves are used as a vegetable. Think of more example where many parts of the single plant are used as food. From all of the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plant. Which part of a plant identify these, and list the food item and plant parts are shown in the figure. There are activity 1.4 for brinjal curry. Ingredients are brinjal curry, chili, oil from the groundnut, and plant part are fruit and seed. As we know, we don't have to taste unknown plants around you because they are edible, and some plants can be poisonous. So some plants can be poisonous, so don't try to test unknown plants. Then we will study about activity 5. How can we make sprouts of dal or moong or chana? Firstly, we will take a small quantity of seeds in a container, and then put some water on it and leave this aside for a day. Next day, separate the water and leave the seeds in the vessel, and then wrap them in the wet cloths. And following day, we will change a white structure comes in the white structure comes in the moong. So a white structure may have grown out of the seeds, and those seeds have sprouted. If not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water, and leave them aside for another day and covered with a wet cloth. The next day, seeds have sprouted after washing the sprout seeds. So in this activity 5, we will study about how can we make sprouts of moong or chana. Firstly, we will take some seeds of moong or chana, and then put it in a container and put some water on it. Next day, drain the water and separate the water from the seeds of moong, and then wrap them in a piece of wet cloth. Then a white structure may have grown out of the seeds, and these are called sprouts. तो हमने स्प्राउट कैसे बनाया? फर्स्टली हमने क्या लिया, मूंग दाल ली, उसको हमने पानी के अंदर डिप करा, थोड़े टाइम के लिए उसको हमने रख दिया, एंड देन हमने उसको क्या किया, पानी को और मूंग की दाल को हमने सेपरेट कर दिया. सेपरेट करने के बाद उसको क्या व्हाइट कलर का स्ट्रक्चर नजर आया, उसको क्या बोलेंगे, स्प्राउटेड सीड्स. आफ्टर वॉशिंग दिस स्प्राउटेड सीड्स, there are so many bees वो बजिंग कर रही होती हैं. Bees collect nectar from the flowers. Bees जो हैं collect करती हैं जो what are nectars? Sweet juice are called nectars, and these are obtained from flowers. Bees collect nectar from the flowers and convert it into the honey and store it in hives. So how we can obtain honey from the flowers? Bees collect nectar, and what is called nectar? Sweet juice are called nectar, and these are obtained from flowers. Bees collect nectar from the convert honey and store in their hives as shown in the figure. And flowers and their nectar get used. When we find such a bee, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey, and this is stored as a honey. So as shown in the figure, there are some bees, they collect nectar flowers and store honey and convert into the honey and store in their hive. And we can use for many years. And all I do take care of a dog, cat, buffalo or a goat. क्या हमने कभी हमारे पास कोई डॉग है या कैट है या बफेलो है या कोई गोट है, you will then surely be aware of the food the animal eats. What about other animal? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, pigeon, lizard or a small insect may be eating as their food? हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? स्क्वायरल ऑब्जर्व किया है, पिजन ऑब्जर्व किया है, लीजर्ड ऑब्जर्व किया है, मे बी ईटिंग एज देयर फूड. In activity 6, several animals are listed in the table 1.5. For some of them, the type of food they eat is also given. There are some animals given in the table 1.5. For example, buffalo, they eat grass, grains, hay, and for cat, they eat small animals, birds, and milk. Have a look again at the table 1.5 and group the animal entered here as the follows. Place animal which eat only plants and put in the category herbivorous. So what are herbivorous? Animals which eat plant or plant products are called herbivorous, and animal which eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. And what are omnivorous? And plants which eat a plant. So in table 1.6, we have given some herbivorous, some carnivorous, and some omnivorous. We know that there are many among us who do not get sufficient food. We need to find ways by which more food can be grown in the country. This food is made easily available to us and every one of us. So there are keywords. First is ingredients. Material used to make a particular dish are called ingredients. And what are edible? The eatable parts of a plant are called edible. And what is nectar? Sweet juice obtained from flowers are called nectar. And what are sprouted seeds? A white structured seeds are called sprouted seeds. And what are herbivores? Animals that eat only plant products are called herbivores. And second is carnivorous. Animals that eat flesh of other animal are called carnivorous. And what are omnivorous? Animals that eat flesh as well as plant products are called omnivorous. And what are the carnivorous? And what are the example of carnivorous? And what are the example of omnivorous? Omnivorous are because they both plant products. And what are herbivores? What are the carnivores? Tiger, because it eats flesh of other animals. And there is a summary. There is a lot of variation in the food eaten in the different region of India. As we know, in different region of India, we eat different variety of food. Second is the main source of our food are plants and animals. As we know, our food is obtained from plants and animals. Animal which eat only plants are called herbivorous, as we discussed earlier. And second is animal which eat only animals are called omnivorous. Animal which eat both plants as well as animals are called omnivorous. These are summary. What are herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous animals? First is there is a low variation. So we have to write diagram in fair notebook. And why we need food? What is food means? Food is a chemical substance that gives us energy to do work, and we need food for getting energy to do various material used to make a particular food item and their ingredients. For roti and chapati, atta and water, and for dal, pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, and spices are ingredients. And what are the ingredients of idli? What are the ingredients of chicken curry? And what are the ingredients of ghee? Two sources of there so food, where does it come from? Plants. Or is food, where does it come from? So its answer is plants and animals. From plants, cereals, pulses, and for milk. We can tree. As we know, mustard leaves, mustard plant gives us oil, and seed soap and leaves are used as vegetable. So there are two uses of and their leaves are used as vegetable. Plant are called edible, and uses of mustard plants are it gives us oil and their leaves are used as vegetable. So for activity 4, there are brinjal curry. What are ingredients? Brinjal, chilies, and oil from groundnut. And what are the sources? Fruit and seeds. Next is don't try to eat poisonous part of a plant. Next is activity 5. How can we make sprouts of dal or moong? And what are sprouts? A white structure in the moong or dal are called a white structure of moong or dal are called sprouted seeds. A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds, and if so, the seeds have sprouted. And these are obtained. And how we obtain honey? Have you seen a bee? There are so many bees keep buzzing about. Bees collect nectar, sweet juices. So bees collect nectar from flowers and convert into honey and store in their hive. So as shown in the figure, have you seen a bee? There are so many bees keep buzzing about in the shown in the figure. Bees collect nectar, and what are called nectar? Sweet juice are called nectar, and these are obtained from flowers. And then bees convert these sweet juice into honey and store in their hive as shown in the figure. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of a year. So bees store these nectar for their use all through the year. Uh, as we know, honey can be used for many years. What do animals eat? So these are categorized in three categories: herbivorous, and carnivorous, and omnivorous. Animals that eat plant products are called herbivorous. And what are carnivorous? Flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous. And what are omnivorous? And the animal which eat both plant as well as what are ingredients? Material used to make a particular dish are called ingredients. And what is edible? The eatable part of a plant are called edible. And what is nectar? And what is nectar? The sprout. What is in the sweet juice obtained from flower is called nectar. And what are sprouted seeds? And what are sprouted seeds? And what are herbivorous, and what are carnivorous, and what are omnivorous? And what is a wide structure of the seeds is called sprouted seeds. And what is herbivorous? Animals that eat plant or plant products are called herbivorous. And what are carnivorous? Plant that eat both plant both the animal that eat both flesh of animal or plant products are called omnivorous. Animal that eat only flesh of other animal are called carnivorous. Example of carnivorous is tiger. An example of omnivorous is human being. An example of herbivorous is cow. So then, firstly, we will write lesson number 1 and write name of the lesson, food, where does it come from, and then we will write. Then second, we will write, draw the diagram of flower, and then draw the diagram of spiral or move, and then any query regarding lesson 1. This is a revision of lesson 1. Any query regarding lesson 1? Any query regarding lesson 1? Firstly, we will write what do you mean by food? Food is chemical substance that gives us energy to do work. What are ingredients? Material required to make a particular dish are called ingredients. And there are some food items shown in the figure and their ingredients. First is roti. And what are the ingredients? Atta and water. For food item dal, what are the ingredients? Pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, and spices. And these are the ingredients of roti, chapati, and dal. And there are some ingredients that can be common in some food items. For example, for roti and dal, water ingredients is common. So there are some ingredients that are common in some food items. So we have to write what are common ingredients in some food items. So then we will write. Firstly, we will write 4 or 5 items and their ingredients. For example, for boiled rice and water are ingredients. And then we will study about what are the why we need food. We need food for the various activities. First is food is why do we need food? Food is necessary for all living things for get. What are the edible parts of plant? What are the uses of mustard plants? And what are the sources of brinjal curry? And which part is used as the ingredient? And how we obtain food? Food is obtained from plants or animals. And what are the products obtained from plant parts and animal products as food? What do animal eat? Herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. There are some animals which eat other animals, which eat other animals are called carnivorous, and animal which eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. There are some animals which eat both are put in the category omnivorous. For example, dog eat both, so these are called omnivorous. So we will write 10 example of herbivorous and 10 example of carnivorous and 10 example of omnivorous in the practice notebook. On fair notebook, on first page, we have to write lesson number 1. On second page, we have to draw any 2 diagram. And on third page, we have to write keywords in the ingredients: edible, nectar, sprouted seeds, herbivorous, carnivorous, or omnivorous. And then we have to write summary. For any query regarding lesson 1? Students, any query regarding lesson 1? 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 Any query regarding lesson 1?